Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. So as you can see in the title, in this video I'm gonna take you guys around my island. It's true that sometimes I get caught up in my daily routine and I forget to like enjoy the little things on my island. So I thought, why not show you guys in a video like a little day on St. Maarten. Well, we're gonna go on the French side and the Dutch side because I represent both islands, so you can't visit one part and not the other. So we're gonna go on both sides today. We're gonna start off by going to eat a local breakfast near the markets in Marigot. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, share, subscribe. It motivates me to do more content for you guys. So let's get into it.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so play me more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question. No get the answer. What's up, do they do? Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get it, why like to listen. Got the one you console. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so play me more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up.
So guys, this is a great place to try local food. You can definitely come here. There's so many different restaurants to choose from, and there's also the market right across. So if you're looking for souvenirs to bring back from your trip, this is the perfect place.
Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
So now we're gonna go beach hopping. I thought this was the perfect way to show you some of my favorite beaches on the island. So let's get to it.
Look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be good.
Guys, this is one of my favorite beaches ever. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, it's so beautiful. The water is perfect. Like, what the hell? Like, I live here. I love it. It's so pretty. C'est trop beau. C'est chez moi. J'ai cassé toute sa story. Bon, on va dans l'eau. Finna go in the water. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and chill around here. I'm gonna stay here, like near the shore. He's gonna go do his thing. So guys, the rocks you see here, I used to go and like jump from there when I was small. Like every weekend I used to come with my family and I would like jump from those rocks. So this is why like this is one of my favorite beaches. I always used to come here when I was small, so yeah. Baie Rouge was like really the flex, and it low-key still is, but I just don't come as often anymore. But yeah, no, I really love this beach.
Girls want me, but not you. I want to know, I want to know. She be like this kind thing with tomato, moo moo. Oh no no. Now they look at the things you do and make me no 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby come, oh girl I want make me dance.
Look at the color of the water, guys. I swear we have like the most beautiful beaches ever. It's crazy. It's really a beautiful day today. Perfect beach day. Où est-ce qu'il va, lui? He always has to go like the furthest possible. Like I don't get it. Like this is me right now. Like I'm like more like a shore girl, like at shore, if you know what I mean. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. Anyways, and he has to like do the freaking most. Can't even see him anymore. Oh, it's blurry. Always gotta do the most. Private jet, yeah. Jet maman, pardon. Pardon, j'étais pas censée dire ça. I'm sorry. So guys, we're gonna go to Maho Beach to see the planes landing. So yeah, we're looking for a spot and we're gonna go check that out. So the people are just waiting for the plane to take off. Like this is like such a big attraction here. I don't really get it, but yeah. I'm not seeing it. Attends, j'arrive. Je vois rien.
Ça pas voir là.
Où ça? Montre encore?
Là. Il y a un truc gris là-bas. Là.
Non, je vois pas.
That's it right there.
Can't see nothing. Oh my god! Yo, I swear it's coming at me. Ah! What the hell? Truc de ouf. C'était pas trop cool. C'était trop bien. Il était au-dessus de ta tête là comme ça. Il a fait chou. C'était trop bien. Guys, we're waiting for a second one. I haven't done this in like 20 years easily. And I don't know, it's so cool. Like I love it. I understand the hype. Like I understand why people, you know, wait for the planes and everything and like they get so excited. Like, I understand, I get it now. So we're waiting for a second one. I can't wait. Guys, il arrive! Il arrive, il arrive, il arrive, il arrive. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Un truc de fou. Guys, that was so much fun. Like, honestly, I definitely recommend you guys to go check it out. It's so unique. You don't have that many places where the runway is so close to a beach like that. So yeah, definitely go and check it out.
I feel in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight.
So we decided to end the day in Grand Cause Beach Club. I honestly love this place. So basically, it's a hotel, guys, where you can still access the beach and the restaurant. So the restaurant is called Sunset Beach Cafe, and I love that place. Just look at the views, look at the beach. It's so cute, very shallow waters, so great for kids. And yeah, this is honestly one of my favorite places, so I just had to share it with you guys.
You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you?